Hi everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. I'll be showing you how to log into Bigo Live from Facebook in today's video. If you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Before logging into Bigo Live from Facebook, make sure you've downloaded the app on your device. After the download is complete, tap Open the app. Soon after you do that, you'll reach to a page that looks like this. To sign in, you'll need to enter your phone number, or to log in from Facebook, simply tap on the Facebook icon. Tap on the Continue button to continue with your Facebook. And after a few seconds, you'll be logged into your Bigo Live account with your Facebook account. If you found the video useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have any questions or feedback for us. See you again with another tutorial video soon. Thank you for watching.